What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel, Johnny Drinks, kung saan tuturuan kayo ng tips and tutorials on how to make drinks, cocktails, mocktails, and learn about bar. So if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to click the like and subscribe button, and let's make some mocktails guys. There you go. For today guys, papakita ko sa inyo paano gumawa ng fresh strawberry lemonade. Napakadali niya lang gawin guys. Hindi natin kailangan ng mga fancy equipments. Yung mga ingredients na gagamitin natin is you can find at any grocery store or sa mga convenience store. Hindi naman siya mahirap hanapin. And for making these drinks guys, is you can just put all the ingredients in the glass, put some ice, and then you're ready to go. But for today, ang gagawin ko is i-shake ko yung cocktail para mas ma-mix ko and mas ma-incorporate ko lahat ng ingredients, especially fresh ingredients kasi yung gagamitin natin. So ano pang iniintay nyo? Let's make some mocktails guys. First is, ilalagay ko sa cocktail shaker is meron ako ditong mga pre-cut na strawberry. So for strawberry, any kind of strawberry pwede nyo gamitin dito. Yung fresh or yung frozen, pwede na yon. Ilalagay kong strawberry dito is around 2 to 3 strawberries. For making this drink, you can use any types of fresh fruit. Depende guys kung anong gusto nyong fresh fruit. Pwede nyong ilagay is mango, orange, pineapple, watermelon. But for today, I will be using is strawberry. And then, muddle natin yung strawberry. Pag nakita nyo na medyo durog na siya at yung mga juice is na-extract na natin, we can proceed to the next ingredient. So for the next ingredient is ilalagay ko is sugar syrup. So since ang strawberry guys is medyo matamis na siya, ang ilalagay lang nating sweetness is around 10 to 15 ml lang para hindi masyadong matamis yung drink natin guys. And of course, our fresh lemon. Around 1 whole lemon, pwede nyo nang gamitin yun for the drink. And I will add ice to the shaker. I-shake ko siya around 8 to 10 seconds to mix all the ingredients. And let's strain to the glass guys. Let's add ice to our glass. And then i-mix natin siya guys ng sparkling or soda water. Pero kung wala naman kayong soda water, sparkling, pwede naman kayong gumamit dito ng 7-Up lang. Or any carbonated drinks, pwede nyo gamitin yun for the strawberry lemonade. Then, i-fill lang natin yung glass, guys. Let's stir the drink, guys. Let's put some straw. And then, for garnish, is lalagyan ko siya ng lemon peel. There you go. There you go, guys. Strawberry lemonade. Tikman natin. Refreshing. And if you want to see more videos on how to make drinks, mocktails, cocktails, and learn about bar, please don't forget to click the like and subscribe button. Maraming salamat po, and see you in the next video guys. Cheers!